Okay, we got a good storm coming up, or coming right now. You can't see much because this is screened in, but I'm basically taping this for the thunder and lightning. And Louie, I want you to know that thunder and rain and lightning all come from Jesus. He makes everything like that. So you don't have to be scared of it. You don't ever have to be scared of thunder and lightning, because Jesus is making it, and everything that he does is good because he loves us. But if you are scared of thunder and lightning and things like that, just know that's Jesus making all that stuff. And he's watering the plants, and he's filling up the lakes and the ocean with more water for the fish. Oh, there's the lightning. There's the... And there's the thunder. Woo! So, just know that that's Jesus watering the plants, watering the gardens, so you can grow vegetables and fruit, and the grass can grow. And the rain puts a lot more water into the lakes and the ocean, so there'll be more fish, and you can swim. If we didn't have rain, you wouldn't be able to swim at the beach or swim in the ocean, anywhere. In a lake up north, like with Pat and Auntie Liz and Mama. We gotta have rain so you can swim. Otherwise, there wouldn't be any lakes. And the thunder and the lightning, it's just fun. It's loud, but it's fun. And Jesus made it, so you know it's good. Okay, little lightning. We should have some big thunder. Some people say that when you hear thunder like that, it's the angels up in heaven bowling. Like when people bowl and they throw the ball at the pins and knock the pins over, it makes a loud noise. Some people say that's what thunder is. The angels up in heaven bowling. So it's never anything to be afraid of. Sometimes if the weather gets real bad, you might have to go downstairs. But that's fun too, because you got all kinds of toys downstairs. And it's fun to hang out down there anyways during a storm. You can pretend you're on an adventure. So that's what it's like in Florida right now. It's raining and thundering and lightning. Oh, I see the lightning. Here comes the thunder. Woo! Those angels must be bowling a lot, huh? Well, I love you, Luella. I love you, Lucas. I miss you guys. I'll be home soon. I think it's 9 more. No, I'll be home in 11 more wake-ups. There's the lightning. Now comes the thunder. Isn't that fun? It always lightnings first, and then the thunder comes. First, you get to see the lightning, and then you can hear the thunder. So, I hope you like this video. I miss you, Lou. I miss you, Lucas. And I'm gonna see you soon, okay? You be good for Mama and Daddy. And you always play nice, and I hope you guys are feeling better. I wish I could be there with you, but I'll see you soon, okay? I love you guys.